This is just kind of to get it started so you guys can kind of see what the product looks like. So you have a nice little disc.
When you're growing up and your parents are listening to it, is it really neat? And then you get older, you go, yeah, I'm into it.
My parents didn't really listen too much. We didn't have a lot of technology.
I'm into it.
My parents didn't really listen too much. We didn't have a lot of technology.
Table. That's it. He's made it so that we can inside the
You're that professional guy.
Okay.
Everybody looks like they're having so much fun. I know, right?
You need like an expression.
Which is a little bit that emote, right?